Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jalen Dolls, of course, and this is Jalen Unplugged. Today, we're going to be trading gold once again, but, bro, the most unfortunate shit happened and closed my account. And they liquidated everything, and they're not willing to give me a free account or anything. They completely ghosted me after liquidating my account. Now, now, why it got liquidated, it's kind of my fault because when I was in that stage of no trades before January, I turned off the auto pay so that way I didn't pay for December because I knew I wasn't going to be trading in December. So I knew I wasn't going to be trading and taking it serious, so I canceled the automatic subscription, and in turn they left the account completely there. It was completely fine. It didn't give me like an expiration or nothing. So once January 1st came, I decided to just, instead of buying a new account, because this account was still open and tradable, just to continue trading on there. And as you guys seen, we had the winning trades or whatever. We were up like a little more than like 4.5K on the account, really close to passing because I needed to make 5 grand because I went over the limit. Um, and then they liquidated the account. They took it. So now we're going to be trading on Top Step. So I'm learning a whole new system because Top Step doesn't work with TradeAvate anymore. So now I have to use their the Top Step X platform, which is really close to TradingView but still confusing because like you can't set your limits the way you can set it on TradingView. Like TradingView calculates everything for you. It's super fucking simple. So now I don't have that anymore. I would have to flip back and forth between websites and shit like that in order to calculate my position size. But anyway, let's go ahead and jump on these charts and let's show you what I'm looking at. Let's go. Okay, so we're here on Top Step X. Let's go to the weekly. We have here a bullish structure. We're breaking highs still. So now you can see on the daily, we look like we are pushing down or was pushing down, and now we're trying to flip back bullish. And you can even see here on the 4 hour, we had a downward momentum happen, and then we wicked down here where this fair value gap is on the 4 hour. So anything above here realistically should be good for a buy. So let's go to the 1 hour. Let me delete. Oh no, I'll leave it. So looking at the 1 hour now, it looks like we were on a downtrend. We broke structure because we were fighting to come down lower over here. We were wicking. And as you can see, we do have a gap here that was formed. So now let's go to the 30. More gaps to be filled. We have a gap here that was formed, which did get filled. But it is possible that it can come back lower again to want to fill that. And then we also have a gap up here that was formed holding this new structure. So if structure holds, this first box will be our trade. But if not, we would look to trade off of either this second box or this third box down here. But we do have a gap here that was formed. We have a breakup structure and a new high. So this trade should play out. We are getting close to our trading window. So we're going to wait and see what happens at 8 o'clock. But it does definitely look like we are in a downward momentum now. So we should be good to take our long position here. So we're just going to wait till 8 o'clock and see what we get. Right, and that's what I'm saying, bro. Gold is so weird, bro. Like it'll tap you in. Yeah, I got tapped in. Like gold will tap you in, and then just go reject. It would reject so fucking hard. We just got to see the rejection happen. Yep, there we go. You just need it to be a good rejection. As long as if it closes in the zone, it's a little scary, and it could just keep going down. But sometimes it finds some sort of level within the zone, and it just rejects up. Let me see the 1 minute. So the 1 minute got 35 seconds to close. Is there a zone in there for the 1 minute as well? Yes, there is, and it looks like it's about to fill it. Yeah, and we're getting a good rejection on 1 minute. It just needs to close outside. Oh, don't be a bitch. You were just trying to close outside. Alright, so the 1 minute closed inside. The 3 minute has 50 seconds left. Yeah. I mean, it's looking good on the 3 minute. It's giving a good ass wick on that 3 minute. The 1 minute looks like it wants to take over though. Bro, why isn't there a fucking time on the candles? Can I add that? Yeah. Like where it puts the oh countdown. There we go. Got it. Yeah. So we should be good. Yeah, we should be good. I was gonna get another entry, but I'm not doing it. I'm cool with what I got out there. Yeah, I'm good where I'm at. It looks good though. On the 1 minute, 1 minute looks real good. Yeah, and the good thing about being in this early with gold, the good thing with being in this early for gold, it normally always makes a setup for the 930. So because it tapped into this, it could use this as just the bottom and then make another setup on top and continue to push. That's also why I normally get my 1 to 3s out of gold so easy. Yeah. That's why I love gold. Like once you get your zone right, you're good for the fucking day as long as you get your entry right. Like you can hold that bitch all day and it'll just continue to fly. Like I would close at 1 to 3 or 1 to 4, but sometimes it goes for that 1 to 5, 1 to 6. But it's just very rare when you really get it. That's why I started just moving my stop loss. Yeah. Yep. Okay. So we got a good close on the 3 minute. Now we just need this one candle to flip and keep pushing. Yeah. We should be okay here, bro. For sure, bro. Cause bro, I'm not gonna lie. Even if you don't get like views and shit like that, you know you're on the right track. So like if you start now and you're making your fucking videos and shit, it's easy to get that following when you want to like start doing marketing for like trainings and shit like that because you have your proof already that you've been trading and that you really know what you're doing. Exactly. Like you really know what you're doing. It's so easy to prove that when you have the YouTube channel. Like you don't really have to speak on it. So that's why for me, I started my channel because I um I really wanted to do YouTube for a minute, but I just didn't know what to do it on. And this is so easy to just record and just do what I'm gonna do anyway. Like it's easy. So it's not that bad. Bro, I don't either. I just do it on the fly. I'm not gonna lie. I just go on the fly. Like I don't plan anything out. I literally just turn the camera on and just talk about what I see, what I'm thinking and shit like that. And 9 times out of 10, people just want to see what you're seeing. They want to understand how you're seeing it. So if you were to just do a YouTube channel, just literally breaking down your trades, especially if they win, bro, people are gonna stick around for the fucking long haul. Like even for me, I get low views, but the people that actually watch my videos, they say that they get a lot of information out of it. Yeah, yeah, it's definitely good to have it while you're chilling, especially because you'll get used to having the camera on you and shit like that. So once you get at the level that you want to be, it's so easy to just hit record and record what you got going on, or record that 100K payout, like, and people not think that it's fake because you really started from the bottom. So like it's easy, but I'd say it's just hard with like timing and shit. Like if you got other shit going on, because you gotta edit the fucking video, and that's really what gets me, bro. Like to record it, simple, but then you gotta go back and edit that bitch, and you gotta make it the way you want it. And even for my videos, I don't really edit the way I want to, just because I don't know how to. So I literally have like simple ass cuts and clips and shit for my fucking videos. But I want to have like music in the background and shit like that. But when I try using the music that's on the software that I use, it keeps coming out copyrighted. So I'm like, fuck that shit. See, but you're an artist. You can do that. Yeah, because I'd be wanting to put music in the background, even if it's just like lo-fi, like just something so it's not quiet. Yeah. Oh, we got 4 minutes on the 30 close, and it looks like it's giving a good wick here. And 8:30 is about to happen. If we get a good close here on the 15, we should be okay. Because 8:30 is about to happen. Bro, if it fucking just tanks and hits stop loss, bro. Bro, if it just flips and hits stop loss, like I'm done for the fucking day. I swear I'm done for the day if it flips and hits stop loss, bro. Bro.
I'm gonna need to take some more medication.
If
Hold on,
it
I'm
just
trying to.
flips, like that would be sick. That would be so sick. Let me see. 30-minute looks good. I mean, we're good. We're sitting on top of the zone. We just needed to give another good push, and we'll be good. Because 8:30 would just continue it.
Can you hear this or no?
Yeah.
Okay. Pete.
Hey, Mom. Remember the first time we met? You know how I believe in things like fate? Well, I think that was fate.
I tried to EQ that better, but you know. The nightclub shit, bro.
Oh, this is fire.
I should have added the 808s, but yeah.
Yeah, no, I fuck with that. Oh, shit. It's pushing down 828. Don't be a bitch. Don't do it. You're already showing signs that you want to go up. A minute. Oh, fuck me.
Stepping off a level, it looks like, and if
Yeah.
it blows through this, it's definitely it's
Yeah.
definitely
That's that
looking
hour
bearish
level.
today.
Come on. Come on. You can do it. Fuck, 8:30. Oh, shit. Oh, no. Oh,
Dude, it's in one,
8:30.
dude. It's in 1 minute, bro. No,
Oh,
it's in
fuck.
one
Come
minute, bro.
on. Just continue to push while 8:30
Dude, it's
hits.
8:29,
Fuck.
bro.
Oh, shit.
Dude,
Bro, this is do or die right here, bro. No, don't do it, bro. Don't flip. Just keep pushing up, please. Don't give a crazy candle. Just also gold sometimes it doesn't react to news. Like it'll do this where it's like going in and out real fast on one candle, but the candle will be normal. Like gold sometimes weird. It doesn't react the way like NAS reacts sometimes. Sometimes we do, but it's very rare. Oh, hey, chill. Oh.
Yo, what's Trump saying, bro? Dude.
Oh.
Bro, this is gonna be another Barron incident for me. Bro, I lost 3 funded accounts because of Barron Trump's insider trading, bro.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Fuck.
Dude, do not do this to me again, bro.
Bro, chill.
Netanyahu, make this candle go up, and I'll kiss the wall. Netanyahu. Dude.
Oh, bro, chill. No, chill.
It's just gonna news action us
Fuck.
all.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Oh.
Bro, I'm telling you, gold be fucking moving weird with them news scandals, bro. Don't do it. 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 No. No.
Bro.
Fuck, I think that might be it. What's the...
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. The 3 minute has a minute to close. That might be it. Fuck, it's so close.
Order filled.
Fuck you, gold. Alright, let's see.
Order filled.
Yeah. At least I didn't lose my full lot size.
Facts. But see, okay,
still
see,
got,
it tapped into that lower gap. Let me delete this shit. Bro, what the fuck? Delete. Hurry up. Alright, so it tapped into that lower gap. If we get a close over this zone, if we get a close over that zone, I might take re-entry. Like, I want to wait just because on the 1 hour, yeah, we broke those highs, but those are just minor. They were good for that one entry, not for this lower one.
Yeah. I don't trade gold, so I can't even say anything, to be honest.
No, the one thing with gold that I like is that it always tells a story. So, like, if you lose, you know why you lost, because there is a lower gap that wanted to get filled over your gap.
Yeah, that's fair.
And as you, if you look at gold, is my screen still up?
Let me see.
Oh, no, it's not. Hold on.
No.
All right, share screen. Okay. So, if you look right where I put that, the trend line, there's a gap right here. It came down, filled that gap exactly. So now this might hold.
You know, that's where my entry was gonna be.
But that's the same thing. It's like I like this down here, but it made another entry right here.
Yeah.
So like that's what I'm saying with gold. You kind of gotta like be kind of picky with your entries, because like if it didn't make this second setup, I would have probably looked for this. I probably would have looked for this if it didn't have that other entry. And you see how close it got to that box? This is how I would have taken this trade if we didn't have this up here. If this didn't form up here and it just came up and left it like that, I would have definitely been taking this trade right here.
I guess we'll have to see how it plays out, to be honest.
Yeah, exactly.
We got like about 40 minutes till market open. I mean, we did some pretty good analysis, though.
Oh, for sure.
Honestly, I'm probably gonna take one more trade for the day, just one more. After that trade, it's probably gonna be on NAS. If I can get a re-entry on NAS, it'll be 2 trades for 1,500. And honestly, I think today I could get that on NAS easily.
You should be able to for sure.
Just I don't know, cause like yeah, I don't know, cause they're probably they're probably thinking like, oh, we can peek these guys out,
Oh, for
cause we could
sure.
just like take them out here and then like keep
For
going. But
sure.
like I don't think so, cause the next draw of liquidity after previous day high is this, comparatively to it going the previous day high back down to London high, down to this, back down to this.
Yeah.
The only other confluence right now is that's where all the consolidation is, and
And
this
that
is
bitch is
another 1 hour zone.
stretching so close to open. Yeah,
You're
there's no
what?
way it doesn't retrace like that. It has to.
No, I'm saying, bro, it's overstretching.
Yeah.
They're trying to get people in. Here, look at this. Look at this, right? Another confluence to the zone. Right?
Yeah.
So on top of that, after its previous day high, technically it could go up to this one, maybe, if they want to push it that high, but I don't think so. I think they're gonna push it up to previous day high, wick into this, and then slide back down like an avalanche.
For sure.
Because that's exactly what they did yesterday. And I'm being serious, like when I say like an avalanche, because bro, you have this double peak here, triple peak here, right? Boom, boom,
Hmm.
boom. All of a sudden, bounce. Doesn't bounce again. Doesn't bounce again until here, then it bounces into this previous zone.
Yeah.
Again into this zone, bounces all the way down, and then all the way down. And mind you, I caught 3 legs of this.
Oh shit.
It's easy to read once you like understand like how it works. Because like look, right after it hits this, boom, you see the consolidation, break of structure, down, break of structure. Cool. So you now know it's gonna break down here. It's gonna take liquidity or orders from here.
Hmm.
Come, boom, 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 boom. All of those formed. Now we're gonna break it towards the top. We're gonna leave the opposite side liquidity alone.
Right. Yeah. I think you're definitely right
Yeah,
about
the
that.
only thing it took was highs. It hasn't taken any lows, like at all. And then on top of that, we have previous day low all the way down here too.
Okay, guys. So we've taken one loss for 292. I'm looking to maybe take this last position. And I'm just gonna set my limit. I'm about to go take a nap or something because my head's kind of hurting. So I'm about to just leave the limit. I should set a TP, huh? Let me see. Put it there. 1 to 3. Sell limit. One. Here we go. Okay. So I got my limit set because my head hurts. I'm about to go lay down and hopefully we get our entry and we get the trade. But if not, it is what it is. So I'll be back. Okay, guys, I came just to look at the chart real quick, and I went ahead and just removed my limit because we look like we're wicking up here off of this zone here. So I'm not even gonna take the chance of fighting with it. Um, and it looks like we're pushing down kind of hard. So I went ahead and just removed my limit. We are just gonna stick with our one loss of 292. And yeah, my stomach doesn't feel so good, so I'm about to go lay back down. But yeah, please like, comment, subscribe, and remember, stay unplugged. Deuces.